Alright, guys, how's it going? I'm back, and today I have 10 packs of Forbidden Light and 1 pack of Ultra Prism that we're going to open. See what we get. Hopefully, we'll get something good. You can never really be too sure. But let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Stick these things to the front. Alright, let's see what we get. Alright. We have a Heliodisc here. Ultra Recon Squad. Diggersby. Scatterbug. Inkay. Goomy. Another Goomy. Snover. And our reverse is the Ultra Recon Squad there. So the last one is, it's a Garchomp. And it's a hollow. Pretty cool looking hollow there. So let's go ahead and set these over here, put the energy there. Move on to the next pack. These Forbidden Lights, kind of like the packs, really cool artwork. Fuck off. Okay. Code card. And then 2, 3. Shit. Yeah, okay, kind of there, right. And flip. Is that Uxie? Uxie? I don't fucking know. Weird name. Lady. Hoopa. Skiddo. Dewpider. We got a Scatterbug here again. Another Inkay. Another Goomy. There's our reverse Pangoro. Big ass fucking evolution of Pancham. I thought Pancham was like a fighting. Huh. Alright, and just an Executor. But it's the low-end Executor. I'm not sure, but I think that one's actually worth like a little bit. Not like a whole bunch, but like a little bit. I'll move that over there. Alright. And go ahead and check out some more. I was reading that this area is not too bad for like tournaments to use in like duels and stuff, or poker fights or whatever. I was looking up on the stuff on the Forbidden Light earlier because I was like, check it out because I got these like real cheap. Bam. And there's our code card. For wondering where I got them, it's Books A Million. Because I just wanted to go in there and found out that they had like some fairly decent deals on some Pokemon cards, so I got them. Okay, we got Klefki, Uxie or whatever, Lady, Cubone, Scatterbug, Snover, Skrelp, Bunnelby, pretty cute. Oh, Beast Energy, and that's a Prism. That's pretty cool. Instead of the reverse, we got a Prism card. Bam! Fucking GX! Hell yeah, look at that. Ultra Necrozoma. Or Necrozoma. Fuck, I can't read. Anyways, that's pretty badass. I think this is the first time I've pulled a GX on video, so hell yeah. Fucking badass. We're gonna put that over there so we can just keep looking at it. Super badass. And shitty energy. That is so fucking cool. We'll have a look at this. Let's see. Oh yeah. Super badass. And it came out on with like a Prism card was there. That was fucking good luck there. Alright. There's the code card. No, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this off. Fire energy. Alright, we got a unit energy here. Lysandra Labs. Looks kind of like a... Okay, that's not a bar. I thought it looked like a bar for a minute. Daydin? Nay? Fucking weird, hard to pronounce name there. And I'm pretty sure we have a hollow on the end because I saw some shiny shit. Dupeter, Finnegan, Helioptile, Flabebe, Binnacle, and there's our reverse. It is Vivillon. Alright, let's see what this last one is. Bam! Another fucking GX. Holy shit, guys. This is fucking awesome. Zygarde. That is fucking cool. Look at that. Oh, man. That looks fucking nice. Go ahead and get a better look here. Yeah. Alright. On to the next one. So I've pulled 2 GXs. Fucking first time I've pulled a GX on camera, and I pulled 2 of them. There's the code card. Set that there. Alright. 1, 2, 3. This feels weirdly stiff. Like, good. Like, the cardstock felt good. Oh, there's our energy. That's steel. Oh. Motherfucker. I can't pronounce that. Araquanid. There we go. Fucking felt like a retard having to sound it out. Alright. Spupa. A Skrelp. I'm not a real big fan of that artwork for him. But Leo. Cool fucking artwork for that guy. Krogunk. A Feroki. A Flabebe. Oh, there's a reverse. The Helioptile. Alright, let's see what on the end. Jack shit. Oh, whoa, no, that's fucking hollow. Holy fuck. I'm an idiot. Okay, so that Aurorius is a hollow. That's fucking cool. Fucking really good luck. Hell yeah. And these were fucking like, I got them for like under $4 a pack at the fucking Books A Million, so that's fucking a great deal. God damn it. I'm trying to hold on to the cards while I'm taking them out. Okay, there's the code card, Rachar. There we go. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Bam. Dark energy. Oh, unidentified fossil. And I fucking hate this one because it's Yuxie? Fucking whatever. Mysterious treasure. I said that like I was excited, but I don't know what the fuck it does. It doesn't seem like it's that great. Noibit. Magnemite. Another Skrelp. Furfrou. Litleo. Oh, sweet. A reverse Honed. That's pretty cool. Get some of that shine for you guys. And a Toxicroak. Just a regular old Toxicroak. That one definitely isn't hollow. It's just a normal, rare. Code card. Oh, there we go. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3. Fire energy. Okay. Another Klefki. Fucking that shitty Pokemon that I fucking hate saying the name of. Lady. Rockruff. Like the saddest fucking dog ever. Or at least in this artwork. Ghibli, Flabebe, Skiddo, Faroki, Noivern is our reverse. Not too bad, I guess. And Pangoro. I think we have the holo of this guy. So, nope, we got the reverse. So there's the reverse and there's the regular. Right. So yeah, we got these Sweet 2 GX cards so far. Let's hope we get another one, because that would be fucking radical. Because we got like 2 in a row. That was fucking great pulls. Bam. Alright. Code card right there. And scratch my nose. 1, 2, 3 to the front. And it's psychic. Pow. Doublade. Diggersby. Heliodisc. Cubone. Looking at the cloud of its mother's skull that it's wearing on its head. Weird. Snover. Bunnelby. I don't know. That just looks like a super cute rabbit. I like it way more than like Diggersby. Which I guess, does it evolve into Diggersby? Yeah, it does. Fucking Diggersby just looks ridiculous. Bunnelby looks cute. Binnacle. Bergmott. Another Noivern. Or another Noivern. And a Dragalge. There's nothing on that one. So we got 2 packs of the Forbidden Lot left, and then this one Ultra Prism. Should we do the 2 or the 1? I guess we'll go ahead and finish off Forbidden Lot, since that's what we started with. We'll save that for last. You know, might as well stay in the whole theme. Yeah, there's a code card. To the front. And bam, lightning energy. Hopefully that's good luck. Unit energy. Fucking asshole. Poipole. Poipole? Or is it pronounced Poipole? It's an Ultra Beast. Flabebe. Gibble. I have an Ultra Beast uncommon. Clauncher. Noibit. Pancham. Look at that son of a bitch. Super cool. Azelf. Pretty cool reverse. Whoa. And Tyrantrum is our holo, which is pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Looks like a T-Rex wearing a collar. I like it. Okay, here's our last pack of Forbidden Lot. Hopefully we'll have really good luck with this one. Although we've had quite great luck so far. Let's just set these here and get some of that magic off of them. Oh shit. Fuck. God damn it. There. Ah. Give me a second. Alright, there we go. Cool. What the fuck? Open. Was it pitched open for some reason? Okay. Code card right there. Bam. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Take off that energy. It is a dark energy. Flip. Braxian. Fossil excavation map. Zagarde. That's our sweet GX that we got. Bunnelby. Hone Edge, Execute, Noivit, Magnemite. Looks just fucking happy. Binnacle is our reverse. Sylveon. I'm not too keen on the whole evolutions, but I don't know. It's not too bad. I'll set that up there, because why the fuck not? Alright. Here is our last pack. Right here, this Ultra Prism. Let's hope we get something. Oh, fuck. Alright, there's our code card. And that moved back in the way. I wish it would stop that. Okay, code card out of the way. Oh, shit. 1, 2, 3. Do these things have an energy on the end? I don't remember, so I'm not going to risk it. Okay, we got an escape board, which is the skateboard with rockets, because of course it is. Grotle, Cynthia, Murkrow, Yanma, Pachirisu, Gibble, Bronzor. Yamega is our fucking reverse. And let's see what fucking last one is. Holy shit, look at that. Hell yeah, fucking another GX. And it is the Dark Mane Necrozma. Which, like, we have this one and this one. That's pretty fucking good. Right there. Hell yeah. 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 And that one. Yeah, fuck yeah. Get fighting energy on it. But yeah, that's fucking great. We've got 3 GXs. Let's have a look over here at our holos and our fucking reverses. Real quick, we got that wall, this Binnacle, Tyrantrum, Azelf, Noivin, Pangoro, another Noivin. Whoa. Oh yeah, same thing. Hone Edge, Helioptile, Vivillon. There's our Prism, Aurorus, Garchomp, and Ultra Recon Squad. Alright guys, it's been cool. I guess I should probably do another go through the fucking code cards before I go, so I guess I'll do that real quick. Might as well. Alright. There. 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 I'm not going to say there again because it sounds stupid if I just keep saying there. What is up with this one? Okay. They have different thicknesses depending. Like, this one feels way thicker than this one. Alright guys, it's been fun. Have a great one. Peace out.